Hemorrhoids are a common condition that affects millions of people worldwide. This painful condition can be caused by a number of factors, including constipation, pregnancy, and obesity. Fortunately, there are several effective home remedies that can provide natural relief from the discomfort and pain of hemorrhoids. In this video we'll be sharing 10 of the best home remedies for hemorrhoids that you can try right in the comfort of your own home. From incorporating more fiber into your diet and staying hydrated to using witch hazel and warm baths, we'll cover everything you need to know to manage this condition and alleviate your symptoms. So, if you're looking for natural, safe, and effective relief from hemorrhoids, keep watching to discover our top home remedies. Segment 1. Deep dive into hemorrhoid causes. To effectively address hemorrhoids, understanding their causes is crucial. Whether it's the result of straining during bowel movements, chronic constipation or diarrhea, pregnancy, obesity, or a sedentary lifestyle, recognizing these factors empowers us to find the right solutions. Segment 2. Unveiling hemorrhoid symptoms. Let's explore the various symptoms associated with hemorrhoids. From the common signs like itching, burning, and swelling to more severe symptoms such as rectal bleeding, understanding these manifestations helps us tailor our approach to finding relief. Segment 3. The holistic approach of home remedies. Why opt for home remedies? Well, they offer a holistic approach. Unlike over-the-counter medications, natural remedies are gentle, accessible, and often carry minimal risk of side effects. Moreover, they're cost-effective and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Segment 4. Introduction to warm sitz baths. Our first home remedy is a staple, warm sitz baths. These baths can be a game changer. By immersing your hips and buttocks in warm water, you stimulate blood flow, reduce swelling, and alleviate itching. Stick around as we guide you through the proper technique and frequency for optimal results. Segment 5. Aloe vera gel, nature's soothing agent. Moving on to our second remedy, aloe vera gel. This natural soother, derived from the aloe vera plant, is renowned for its healing properties. We'll dive deep into how to choose the right product, the application process, and even a cool twist involving freezing the gel for added relief. Segment 6. Witch hazel compresses, nature's astringent. Next up, we have witch hazel compresses. Derived from the leaves and bark of the witch hazel plant, this remedy has been used for centuries for its soothing and astringent properties. We'll explore how to create these compresses, their application, and the science behind their effectiveness. Segment 7. Dietary changes and fiber intake. Shifting gears, let's talk about dietary changes. Did you know that what you eat can significantly impact hemorrhoids? We'll discuss the importance of a high-fiber diet, exploring fiber-rich foods, gradual dietary adjustments, and the role of hydration in maintaining healthy bowel movements. Segment 8. Harnessing essential oils for hemorrhoid relief. Our fourth remedy involves the use of essential oils. Tea tree oil, lavender oil, cypress oil, peppermint oil, and chamomile oil, each with its unique therapeutic properties. We'll explore the science behind these oils, how to properly dilute and apply them, and their impact on reducing pain, inflammation, and itching. Segment 9. Precautions and considerations. As we journey through these remedies, it's essential to exercise caution. We'll discuss precautions, such as consulting healthcare professionals before trying any new remedy, performing patch tests for allergies, ensuring product quality, following proper dosage and application, and understanding individual variations. Segment 10. When to seek medical attention. While home remedies can be effective, there are instances when professional medical attention becomes necessary. We'll outline signs indicating severe pain, persistent bleeding, changes in bowel movements, and the presence of thrombosed hemorrhoids. Individuals with pre-existing conditions will learn when to consult a healthcare provider. As we wrap up, remember that finding relief from hemorrhoids doesn't always require medical intervention or expensive treatments. By incorporating these natural home remedies into your routine, you can experience effective relief and promote healing. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy.